Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my video resume. I am MS Saima Kondo from Kishorganj. I have completed my SSC in 2019 with GPA 4.17 from Azimuddin High School, Kishorganj, and I completed my HSC from Wali Nawaz Khan College with GPA 4.42 from Kishorganj. Uh, From childhood, I have a dream to be a civil engineer. That is why now I am a BSc student of Civil Engineering Department in Daffodil International University. I wanna involve myself in road and highway department Bangladesh to contribute in modern infrastructure. Beyond my academic study, I actively participate in university club such as DIU sub club and civil club, though even planning, volunteering and group work. I also attend seminar and workshop to expand my knowledge. My hobby is gardening and explore new places. I achieved skill in AutoCAD, ETABS, SketchUp, Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Python. If I get the laptop, I will focus on them and learn some extra modern skill. I believe in hard work. My goal is to use my skill to achieve success in the civil engineering field. Thank you to all for watching me till the end.